Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kashmir to the World by Adil. Right now I am in the beautiful and peaceful Gurez Valley. The morning here, you can see, is just magical. Fresh air, mountains all around, and the sound of nature you can see from here. I just came out from my camping tent just for morning walk, and I thought, why not take you along with me? Look at these mountains. Isn't this view amazing? I think it's more than that. Perfect for a walk. I can literally feel the energy of this place. The greenery, the smell of fresh grass and birds. The sound of birds. As you know, weather in the morning is cool and refreshing. It's like perfect for walk. I can literally feel the energy, really. So this was my morning walk in the heart of Gurez Valley. I hope you felt the same peace and freshness that I'm feeling right now. Sometimes we all need to take a moment, breath, and enjoy nature, and that's what exactly this valley gives you. I'm planning to explore more spots here in Gurez Valley. Maybe visit the river, the Habba Khatun Peak. I listen much about that. And definitely will show you the hidden gems of this valley. So if you want to join me on the journey, make sure you watch my next videos. If you enjoy this vlog, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Kashmir to the World by Adil. Definitely your support means a lot to me. Thank you for walking with me this morning. I will see you in the next vlog. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and keep exploring. Allah Hafiz. See 360 view of Gurez Valley. Thank you so much.